Hello friends, welcome to Share Skill flagship skill development program, Sunday Skills, where at every Sunday evening we conduct skill development interactive webinars with experts from various fields on our online platform. Hi, I am Advocate Sunaina Kashid. I am part of a legal team in Share Skill. I will be conducting today's webinar in English. So friends, talking about Share Skill, it is a private limited company giving various services in education and business sector. It is an education and skill development platform which is working as connecting link between experts and students. Share Skill has various online, live, offline and hybrid courses on its platform. Share Skill is also a training company where various trainings are provided at institute, public and corporate level. Share Skill is also a complete ecosystem of educators, experts, and institutes where it is giving a many supportive services and solutions such as digital services, digital marketing, content development, marketing consultations, admission consultations, and its famous pre-verified leads. It is also a unique platform where you take live video consultations and counseling as per your requirements from expert in that field. I know you all are eagerly waiting for our today's guest, Sandeep Kanade, sir. So let me introduce him first. He is a seasoned digital marketing trainer and consultant. He is a founder of EduWord, where education meets passion, and SNK Web Solutions, which is digital marketing agency. He completed his graduation in information and technology and MBA from London School of Commerce. His passion is training and he is digital marketing faculty at well-known business school and master trainer at Tata Institute of Social Science. He has 11 years of experience in digital marketing and various domains such as healthcare, education, real estate, e-commerce, and FMCG. And he also worked on multiple campaigns on Google, Bing, Facebook ads platforms, and projects with budget in excess of $2 million. Very good evening, sir.
Hi. Good evening, everyone.
Sir, I would like to ask you a few questions
Okay,
about digital marketing so that
sure.
our students will get more knowledge about digital marketing.
Definitely. Sure. Yeah.
So, my first question is please tell us about your journey in this field so that
Okay.
everyone will get to know what are like hardship you faced or like what experience to gain.
Okay. Sure. So, first of all, good evening, everyone, and definitely, you all of you will enjoy this session. I'll guarantee you that, and I hope all of you can hear me clearly. I'm clearly audible, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, you're
fantastic.
audible.
So, talking about my journey, basically, I started my career with automobile engineering diploma in like 2005 or so. But later on, somehow like things didn't go the way it should have gone. So I started with information technology graduation. Like I did my BSc IT then, and after
Okay.
that, after completing the BSc IT, I was not that much into coding, and I really wanted to avoid it. What I did is I started, I joined one of my friend in cyber cafe, frankly speaking, in 2009, and then I saw he was working for Facebook, and that is how I came to know about this internet marketing term.
Yeah,
Basically,
right.
this was not a digital marketing at all earlier. It was internet marketing or online marketing, so that
Yeah.
is how I started my career, and then I came across a job wherein agency, and then I started working as a search engine optimization manager over there. So basically, talking about digital marketing, first of all, like all of you have heard about this term called digital marketing. The base of digital marketing is search engine optimization. So when it comes to promoting any business, any product, we need to have a property. Like if we want to start a business, either we go for a shop, either we go for a workshop, showroom, office, or whatever, right? But when it comes to virtual world, which is digital, right? For that we need a proper website, and that's why search engine optimization wise I'm saying it's a base. And my I started my career in search engine optimization. I was really fortunate enough that I worked upon almost, by now I have worked upon more than 500 plus websites with search engine
Oh,
optimization, you know.
okay.
And almost 90% websites have really received a good performance, organic performance. And that is where I feel that my expertise and my core is into SEO. And that is how I started my career. Like later on in 2013-14, this Facebook marketing got evolved. Google Ads was already there, and then working in multiple industries. Even I have worked on the projects for Tata Click. I have worked with multiple startups also, wherein from 0 to 50 cr, the like zero revenue to 50 cr of revenue, not revenue I should say, but the turnover we
Okay.
have managed, so something like this kind of projects has really helped me a lot. So basic thing I would like to mention over here as a journey, you need to really work hard with respect to understanding of what type of skills you required, and once you achieve or gain those skills you need to implement it. So
Yeah,
that is
right.
what is important end of the day. So journey wise, it will feel very smooth, but it's not that easy, I would like to say. But yes, if you get a proper guidance, because I did came across multiple mentors. They were really good. Like one of my mentor, Ajay Kudwa, he is working with he's a VP digital marketing with Geo now. And
Oh,
apart from that, yeah, I have my mentor, he is a Harvard alumni, Armol Arora. So these are the people, like I came across, and then that is how I basically have achieved the things which really helped me a lot, to
yeah.
make my career the way it's going now. So that is how, like last couple of years ago only I started this SNK Web Solutions, and then in 2020 itself I started EduWord, and now like yeah, is the journey now. Yeah,
Wow, wow. That
yeah,
is really great.
yeah.
Okay. So, one really basic question I want to ask.
Mhm.
So, what is digital marketing?
Okay, so as I told you just while talking about the journey, whenever we start a business, what do we need? We need more and more people to be aware about our business. Or if we have a physical brick and mortar shop, then we want people to walk in there, right? So
Yeah,
visitors or users, we can say, or customers, but customer is the end goal, because
right.
the person who walks into your store, he is not your customer until unless he or she makes purchase, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
digital marketing wise, what we do is we promote our business, whatever product or service we have, on social media channels, on search engines, and these all the promotions will be visible where, on the digital platforms like mobile phone, laptops, tablets,
Exactly.
right? So
Right.
end of the day, this is what, like whatever promotional activities we do on this kind of devices is nothing but a digital marketing.
Digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you. So, my next question is, what are challenges a fresher may face in this field?
Okay, so the challenges are, see, first of all, digital marketing is something you don't need to have a specific background for it. Okay, you
Okay.
can either be from arts, commerce, science, engineering. Even if you have done MBA, it's okay. So basically, you might have seen, like I would like to elaborate it a little bit more. You might have seen multiple institutes, digital marketing institute. They have started claiming this way: don't waste your time doing MBA, join
Oh,
our
oh,
course.
yeah,
But
yeah.
I really, I will say, don't fall for such traps. Why? Because MBA is MBA, guys. See, come on, because we are living in a country where graduation and then the masters is
Yeah.
something which is
Compulsory.
still getting recognized.
Yeah, yeah,
So
right.
please don't fall for something like that. Digital marketing is very easy, but at the same point of time, until and unless you don't understand the base of it, once you understand the base of it, you need to start thinking by yourself. Because see, a trainer, a mentor can hold your hand until you get on board with it. Once you're on board with it, you need to drive your vehicle or whatever, like train or plane,
By
so
yourself.
to
Yeah.
make yourself comfortable with this kind of simulation, wherein like social media, search engine optimization, or search engine marketing, you need to understand. Once you understand the base of it, you need to understand what kind of campaigns will work for my business. So the basic thing which all of you should understand is, you should be handy with computers, laptops. Okay, you
Right.
should have a basic knowledge of Word, Microsoft Word and spreadsheet, because you will be working on reports, and you should be friendly with numbers.
Okay.
That is little bit, I will say, is required. It's not maths at all, but number wise you should be friendly, because there is analytics. You
Yeah.
will be talking in terms of users, new users, bounce rate. So these are the few terms, click through rate,
Okay.
conversion rate, right? So this
Yeah.
way you need to understand the numbers a lot. Okay, because
Okay.
this will gain help you to make the decisions also. This will help your clients to understand the performance also. So this will be KPI.
Okay.
So basically it's very easy, but at the same point of time, get ready to give your 100%, and then you can definitely sell smoothly. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So, why digital marketing is so important today?
Okay, so basically, see, COVID is, now everyone might be thinking COVID is something, which is because of which a lot of companies have gone digital or something, but it's not the case. 2014, 15, when the smartphones, then this internet availability, this was the actual significance getting digital marketing thing to the next level. Because of the smartphones, almost 70 to 80% of people, they want to search something or they want to spend time online, they do it on their smartphone, and where there is the audience, there the advertisers will be, right?
Yeah.
And
Right.
that is how digital marketing actually got evolved from 2014-15, I should say.
Okay.
And then when Geo came, all of you might be aware, right? In
Yeah. Yeah.
India at least, and India is a hub for digital marketing, let me tell you that. So yes, digital marketing wise, you can say it got evolved quite very well, because of the availability of internet, and the more the users are available digital on the digital platforms today, and that's the reason digital marketing is so popular, because brands would like to take themselves in front of this kind of audience, wherever they find their audience, right audience. Because you might have gone to shopping malls, you might have gone to railway stations, you see advertisement, right?
Yeah. Right.
Nowadays people are on social media, people are on multiple apps, people are playing games, right? People are on Google searching something or the other, people on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
People
Right.
are on Netflix, people are on Amazon. Yeah.
Right.
And then there are the free streaming platforms like MX Player, even that Hotstar,
Yeah.
Hootsuite, I guess. No, not Hootsuite, sorry. Hotstar, Disney Hotstar. So they
Okay.
also get the digital. So those are called as OTT platform now. You know,
Yeah. Right.
so
Right.
it's getting upgraded day by day, day by day. So new things will keep coming, and that is why it is very very important. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
for
Okay, sir.
brands. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So, why one should choose digital marketing as his or her career option?
Okay, fantastic. This is really a tricky question, and every one of you should listen to this carefully, because see, digital marketing has a diversified career options. It's not about SEO, SEM, social media. No,
Okay.
don't take it that way. Why I'm saying this? Because when you start working as a digital marketer, you might work for automobile industry, you might work for law firm, you might work for food business, you might work for real estate, you might work for healthcare, you might work for education, you might work for manufacturing, and you name it now. I have just started it. Now you name it, and you have digital marketing in it. Right?
Okay.
Now, as a marketer, you should definitely understand. If you are working for some automotive company, you should understand how to promote automobile industry. It's not that
Exactly.
as a digital marketer you can go into manufacturing plant and then you can start from. No, it's not that. You need to have that logic. You will
Right.
have to study that business first, and definitely then you can start working into this career quite well, and slowly and steadily, as much of time you will spend, like let's say you have already have 1 years of 2 years of experience working on some or the other companies, definitely that particular experience will take you to the age. Now
Right.
few people I have seen failing also, few people I have seen they're really doing good. So the ratio of failing is very less though, but it depends on the interest also end of the day. But diversification is huge, huge. You name the industry and you can work in it, you know. Yeah, that is
Okay.
how it is.
Okay, sir.
And that's why I should say definitely people should choose this as a career. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Right. Absolutely right, sir. So, what are the business opportunities in digital marketing?
Business opportunity wise,
Yeah.
so as I told you, diversification is there. You can start any kind of business and then definitely you can, work into it. Apart from that, business opportunity wise, as a digital marketer, you can start giving your services as a freelancer. uh, After some point of time, maybe let's say 2 years down the line, 3 years down the lines, you can start your own agency. But as an entrepreneur, start any business, start real estate consultation, start some restaurant or cafe. You can implement your digital marketing knowledge into it. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Okay.
it's
So,
again
like,
the same. Yeah.
right. So, like, you choose any field, the digital marketing will
Help you.
help
Help
you.
you.
Exactly.
Definitely.
Exactly. Right.
Definitely.
So, uh, means there are many free and online courses available.
Correct.
So, how to choose best course for digital marketing?
Okay, great. That's again a tricky question, I will say, because see, as I told you in the beginning itself, finding a right mentor or trainer is the key. See where you will get the maximum amount of exposure, then whether that course is online, whether that course is offline, like classroom training, you can say, it doesn't matter. Identify what will be the outcome of it. Now, how to identify outcome? You can't just read some brochure or Facebook ad or Google ad saying live training, live training. No, live training means working on the project. That's true, but not a single person who is getting trained can work on the live project from day one. You need to understand that.
Okay.
I think when we were in the college, in our school days, like a lot of you must be already in the school, in the biology lab or chemistry lab,
Mm.
our,
Yeah.
we
Right.
used to do some formulation and all. I don't know. Again, if you are into engineering, then you used to have those carpentry workshops and all. Do you think you can achieve the not perfection, I will say, but at least 30% of perfection in the first go? No,
No.
right?
No.
So
Right.
you need to identify who will help me to get to that particular level wherein my at least my ideas about that particular implementation are really really good. And definitely ask live project as in what will be the live activities I will be performing. This should
Okay.
be your question. Live, okay, I am showing my screen doesn't mean that I'm giving live training. I am asking you to do on this. It's like kind of a simulation. So that kind of activities are there, and doing the proper assignments, then definitely that course is for you. Yeah. And we
Okay.
do offer that, by the way, course. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can you suggest some digital marketing courses?
Okay, some as in, see, basically, as I told you, go for a course which will provide you the 100% live training, no theory. Okay, and suggestion wise, like we have our own institute called Edward Digital Marketing Institute,
Okay.
wherein we offer both classroom training as well as online training. Okay,
Okay. Wow.
you
Okay.
can definitely contact us. You have like Vaibhav sir also, with from Share Skill. So
Yes. Yes.
definitely speak to them. You want to have a call with me, one on one. You want to meet me. Definitely, we have our office in Seawoods only, Nerul, Navi Mumbai. We can do that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, how much can how much one can earn in this digital marketing field?
Again, as I told, it's a diversified industry. There is a huge potential. You can start with as like with from 15,000, and it can go up to, like I have, like in my network, I have digital marketers who has got a salary of almost 3 lakh per month.
Oh.
This,
Okay.
this is where they are right now. Then definitely, digital marketing can make you CEO also. Let me tell you that.
Okay.
CEO, to become a CEO, you don't need to be a digital marketer, but the journey towards the director or CEO or maybe CXO, definitely digital marketing can take you there. I have seen a lot of people, who started their career in digital marketing and today they are, really they are on the like directors level. Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So, sir,
So
in
salary is not about, yeah.
Okay. So, but for the fresher,
Yeah.
means how much they get in the
No,
get
in
for
the, as
internship
a
and
fresher, yeah, as a fresher, see, internship wise, again, there are multiple options. Either it can be free and it can be 5,000 to 10,000. Dentsu Aegis, or if you talk about Logicserve or even my own agency, we pay almost in between the bracket of 5 to 10,000 for interns, okay, per
okay,
month.
okay,
And to start with, we offer a salary of around 15 to 20,000 bracket.
okay.
Yeah,
Wow,
again,
wow.
and that is something which is pretty much feasible. I am not giving any random figures here. 15 to 20,000 is something which you can start with, definitely.
Okay, for fresher that is more than enough.
For fresher, yeah, and I started my career off with 8,000, let me tell you,
Oh,
and that too
okay,
not as an intern, huh?
okay.
Yeah.
As a job, you're
Yes,
talking
yes,
about.
yes,
Okay,
yes, true.
okay, okay. All right, sir. Is there any criteria for getting into digital marketing field?
No criteria, as I told you, any field, definitely, but interest level should be there once you start. Yeah.
Right, right, right. So, can you share some more information about the digital marketing?
Okay.
Any
So,
other information?
okay. So talking about digital marketing in a brief, search engine optimization is there, social media marketing is there, search engine marketing is there. So talking about SEO wise, guys, see, as I told you, SEO is a base, because everyone nowadays, if they want to know about something or the other, they go on search engine and search.
Right.
And if your business is already present there in a virtual way, you can definitely get a huge amount of traffic. I am working on a website right now. It's into healthcare. We are getting organic traffic without spending a single rupee. We are getting organic traffic of 2,000 visitors per day. Again, that is not the benchmark. Huh? There are websites who, like Facebook, if I say, there are billions of people logging in every day, right? But
Yeah,
as a
right.
business, if you have 2,000 visitors every day, just imagine the kind of business you will get. See, means just imagine this in this way. You have a shop and you have 2,000 visitors per day, right?
Oh, right,
It's simple,
right,
right? The way we
right.
see restaurants on the highways and we say, oh my God, 50 vehicles are stand parking. Wow, what a business is doing.
Yeah,
It's
right.
virtual,
Exactly.
right? So SEO wise, you can achieve that organically. Social media wise, if you want to know, so social media is nothing but like a traditional marketing. Moreover, why it is refined, because the target audience, you can do quite good targeting with respect to social media. Social media can help you to reach out to the right audience, and that right audience can bring in the business for you, because end goal for any business is revenue generation. If you are
Exactly.
bringing in revenue, you are in. If you are not, you are out.
You're
It's
out.
simple.
Right, right, right,
Okay,
right.
even it happens with me also. Let me tell you bluntly, it happens with me. You have to be a performer, and to become a performer, right knowledge, right techniques, right tips and tricks will help you. Apart
Exactly.
from that, talking about search engine marketing, like search engine is the key. I told you SEO is, but there are businesses which their website doesn't rank, but they have good amount of marketing budget. Go for Google Ads. Start Google Ads, and your website will be on the first position, first page from next moment itself, like in 5 minutes, you can say.
Oh,
So that
okay.
kind of, yeah, technologies are there, and then you have nurturing wise email marketing, mobile marketing, right? And then web analytics. So these are the three sub modules, I should say, and the core modules will be SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, social media marketing, SMM. So these are the
Okay,
three core
okay,
modules, and you can also become a master of any one of them. It's not mandatory to have knowledge of three. Having a knowledge of three is good, but you can work only in one field. Like you can either make your career as a SEO, you can either make your
okay.
career as a social media, but again, social media wise content should be the thing. So communication should be really good, but SEO wise and search engine marketing wise, communication cannot be that needed. But again, communication is needed because interview, when you go for
Right.
the interviews, if you perform well, that's why communication is must. And digital marketing wise, lot of times you will be working on content, website content, blog content, social media content, ads, communication content, images content.
Right.
Everywhere you see will be content only. So definitely it's a job wherein you will involve a lot of good communication skills too. Definitely. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir, for
Yeah.
giving this knowledge.
Yeah.
That was pleasure to have you on this platform.
Thank
So,
you so much.
students, this was Sandeep Kanade, sir, if you want to personally interact with him, then you can visit our website expert section and book consultation with him. So students, if you want to know more details about courses related to digital marketing, then register on the link given in the comment box in the case of Facebook and video description in the case of YouTube. Once you registered on that link, our counselor will get back to you and give further details. So students, stay tuned stay tuned with us and remain updated. Like our Facebook page, YouTube channel named Share Skill Online, and also join our Telegram channel by clicking on the link. For any query, you can also visit our website www.shareskillonline.com or call on the helpline number. So students, let's meet next Sunday evening with a new guest and new skill in our skill development program, Sunday Skills. Till then, take care, happy Sunday, and keep hopes alive.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.